In this video, I'll show you how to use Gamma AI in 2026, step by step. First, open your web browser and go to Gamma AI. Once the website loads, you can create a new account or sign in if you already have one. After logging in, you'll see the Gamma workspace where you can create different types of content. Gamma AI can help you create presentations, documents, web pages, and slides using simple prompts. To get started, click the option to create a new project. Choose the type of content you want to make, such as a presentation. Now enter a short description of what you want to create. For example, you can type a topic like, create a presentation about digital marketing for beginners. Gamma AI will then generate content and organize it into multiple slides. You can review the generated slides and edit the text, images, layouts, and other elements. If you want to change the overall appearance, open the theme or customization options. From there, you can choose different styles, fonts, colors, and layouts to make your project look more professional. You can also create documents or web pages in a similar way. Simply choose the appropriate content type and describe what you want Gamma AI to generate. After making your changes, review the entire project carefully. When everything looks good, use the available sharing or export options to save or present your work. So that's how you can use Gamma AI in 2026 to create presentations, documents, web pages, and professional-looking slides with the help of AI. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful AI tutorials.